Today we're at Happy Trails Farm Animal Sanctuary. All the animals we're gonna meet today would not be here if it weren't for them. Bye-bye. You don't like me. The pig that I was just petting, her name is Mandy, and she is a permanent resident here at Happy Trails. She's used as a therapy pig, visits children in hospitals. She is just the friendliest pig you'll ever meet. She kept following us around and wanting to be pet. It was so cute. Hi. All the roosters here were rescued from cockfighting rings that got broken up, and now they are residents. Roosters like to run around, and unfortunately here they're kind of stuck in small cages. They need adoption, so if you have room for a rooster, I know where you can find one. Fortunately, they don't have to be forced into cockfighting anymore, and they have a happy home here at Happy Trails Sanctuary. But I'm sure they would be much happier in a yard somewhere. Couldn't get too close to the horses today, but that's a good thing. They have a lot of space, lots of room for activities in their pasture. Most of the horses here are rescues. They worked as Amish horses, and after an Amish horse retires, they get shipped to Mexico to become horse meat, and it's rather unfortunate, but these horses were lucky enough that that didn't happen, and they get to live out the rest of their lives either here on the sanctuary or hopefully they get adopted into a family. The goat that I just pet, his name is Peanut, and he's my favorite goat in the whole entire world. He is so friendly. He just loves attention so much. He's actually a therapy goat, so they take him to nursing homes, to schools, they take him to hospitals, and that's my third time meeting Peanut, and I already can't wait to go pet him again. He's so warm. My hands are cold. He's warming up my hands. Pigs love belly rubs. The pigs that we just gave belly rubs to, Amelia was one of them. She was a rescue from Case Western research facility, and when she got here, she had never been outside, she had never been in a barn, she had never laid in hay, and now she gets to enjoy the rest of her life living as a pig should. Most people don't know, but pigs are actually smarter than a 3-year-old child, and they're smarter than dogs. And they love belly rubs. Could you tell how much she was enjoying that? So I didn't talk a lot about where Happy Trails gets most of its animals. Most of its residents are from criminal neglect cases or just abandonment. They'll find them roaming on the street. All of the animals that end up at Happy Trails will either finish out their life there or they'll be adopted into loving homes. They will never be used for meat. They will never be used for their products. They will never be forcefully bred. They just get to live out the rest of their lives in happiness. Really is just a beautiful place for animals. I really hope you enjoyed my video today. Please hit subscribe below and hit a like. I have so many great ideas for the videos coming up, so you won't want to miss out. Hope to see you again soon.